Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a working GA for data stream. Start now by enabling automatic bot filtering and creating a baseline filter. In admin, go to data settings and toggle the bot and spider filter on, then verify your measurement ID on the site. Once done, create a custom comparison to identify suspicious spikes and a parameter-based filter for obvious bot signatures like empty user agent or 0 session duration. These first steps reduce obvious noise immediately and set up the next deeper investigation. Now dig into the data. Run explorations focusing on client ID, user agent, and session duration to spot patterns of non-human behavior. Filter by country, source, and hour to isolate bursts and export suspicious client ID samples. Once identified, Craft Precise rejects exclusions for user agent and source fields and apply them as event or audience filters. Make sure to back up lists and test on a copy stream first. This prevents accidental loss of real user data while you refine the rules and tighten detection. Apply your vetted exclusion rules to the production stream, then monitor 7 to 14-day trends for stabilization in sessions and engagement metrics. Create alerts for deviations greater than 20% so you're notified of regressions. If you see unexpected drops in legitimate users, roll back the most recent rule and rerun targeted explorations against segmented audiences to find false positives. When things go wrong, test changes in a duplicate stream, iterate rejects precision, and document each change so you can undo or reproduce fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.